Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys feel bored with your ringtones, don't need to be worried because Samsung Galaxy A56 provides a lot of ringtones with several genres that you can choose as you want guys. And how to change your ringtone is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to the settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. And then after that, now you can scroll down a little bit and go to ringtone. And then so yeah, there are so many ringtones that you can choose. And for example, I will choose this one. And so yeah, your ringtone already changed. Okay guys, here's the tutorial on how to change ringtone. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye.